In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Booksy Biz and navigate the reporting features to help you manage your business finances effectively. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner just starting with Booksy, this guide will walk you through the key steps to access and understand your financial reports. Stay with me as we dive into the details. First, you'll need to access the Booksy Biz app on your smartphone or tablet, available for both iOS and Android devices. If you prefer working on a larger screen, you can also log into the Booksy Biz platform from your desktop browser. Either way, make sure you have your login credentials handy so you can get started without any hiccups. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the section of the app where you can view your financial insights. On the menu, you'll find options like Reports, Business Reports, or sometimes just labeled Finances. Select this section to proceed. The insights you'll find here are invaluable for reviewing your business performance, so it's a good habit to regularly check in on this data. After entering the Reports or Finances section, it's time to delve into the Earnings or Sales report. This is where the magic happens, as it provides a detailed breakdown of your business's financial health. Tap on the Earnings report or Sales option, and you'll be presented with a wealth of information. You'll see metrics such as your total revenue, which reflects the overall income your business has generated. Additionally, you'll find insights into the tips you've received, offering you a clearer picture of customer appreciation and satisfaction. One of the most beneficial parts of this report is the service breakdown. This area will show you which of your offered services are driving the most income, helping you identify trends and areas for potential growth or adjustment. As a business owner, having a pulse on your most and least popular services is crucial for refining your offerings and marketing strategies. Now, if you're interested in assessing your income over a specific period, you can use the time frame filters. These filters allow you to customize the report by daily, weekly, monthly, or even a custom date range, such as this month or this year. Applying these filters can make it easier to spot trends, compare growth, and make informed decisions based on historical data. By mastering these features in the Booksy Biz platform, you're equipping yourself with the tools you need to manage not just your appointments, but the financial side of your business as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to take full advantage of Booksy Biz's financial reporting capabilities. Happy bookkeeping, and I'll see you in the next video.